Hey, what's up everyone? This is how to check codes on this Samsung dryer here. First what you want to do is just turn your power button on. Don't push any other buttons. Okay? And what you do is you'll come down here to the mixed load bell. You'll hold it for 3 seconds. Now if there's any codes, it'll pull it up right there. It says I have a code. So then what you need to do is you need to get the app, the Samsung Smart Washer app. Download it. Go to, let me turn the light off on this. After you get that, once you download it, you don't really need to set it up or register nothing. You just go to the Smart Care tab, Smart Care, and then you go to the Smart Care button. Press that. Then you'll get this little reader thing. You put the reader on the code that's displayed on the washer. It'll save it. It'll say, hey, is this the same thing? Make sure it is, because as you see, this is this symbol, and that's a totally different symbol. So you'd say cancel, and you would try it again and make sure you get the right code. Wow, still not the right one. Still a little off. I just fixed my dryer, so my dryer doesn't have a problem. But this is just a video to show you how to get code. And once you get a code, it'll give you a description on here. If you can't read it correctly, you could just type in the code. It'll say, hey, like, just make the code so we can see it. And then you press next, and it'll give you a description. There are no checkpoints with the washer. That means no codes. I just typed in a random code, so it's probably not a real code. But anyways, that's how you do it. And then it'll give you an action, diagnosis. This might be good if you're having problems with, like, potentially the circuit board, or just, you're not knowing what's going on and you just need a little direction to go. But anyways, that's how to check codes on this particular dryer. Every dryer is different.